Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to design a square video post on the VistaCreate application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the plus icon at the bottom of the page, and in the animated design section you can find the first option, the square video post. And new, you can find different templates, and just select one and click to the use this template button. New, you can edit this template. If you want to add photos, just click to the photos option at the lower left corner of the screen, and in the premium section you can find photos, or go to the uploads button, and here you can make pictures with your camera, or go to the gallery option, and here you can select the pictures from your gallery, and just select one and done. If you want to edit the text, just click to the text box, delete the text and write. You can select the font type, for example the over the rainbow style name, or you can edit the style, the font size, and you can add the different object to your video. If you go to the object button at the bottom of the page and just select one and click that, and you can edit the size of your shapes. If you want to add other videos, just go to the video button next to the animation at the bottom of the page, and in the animation section you can find different animations. And if you want to add music to your video, just click to the music button next to the video option at the bottom of the page. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.